Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and turn off streak notifications in Deepstash. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Deepstash application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for Deepstash, find application and install it. So after installing it and opening it up, this is going to be the home page we're greeted by. From this main page, we can get started finding all the books that we can read, all the posts by other people we follow and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to turn off your streak notifications. So basically guys, what we want to do is go right here in the bottom right corner, click on your profile picture. That's going to open up your profile tab. From here we can get started editing our menu, and here in the upper right corner we can click on the settings icon. So by clicking the settings icon, you can go ahead and take a look at this new menu that appears. You can scroll down a bit and find this section that says notifications. So once you click on notifications, this is going to go and enable us to turn on or off our notifications. So as you can see, we have our content recommendations, streak and reading habit, achievements and so on. If you want to turn them on, you can just tap on them and it's going to enable you to turn them on. So as you can see, currently if the notifications are turned off from your phone settings, you have to turn them on first, and this is how to go and turn them off. If you want to turn them off, just go ahead and make it like this, so you can just go ahead and tap on it, and that's how to turn off any streak notifications. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.